Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It feels like I only did this unboxing 2 weeks ago. It's arrived really quickly, but I have in the mail my Geek Wizardry box. So I'm going to open it. I certainly wasn't expecting it yet. Sometimes they get through customs and the postage really quick, and sometimes it takes forever. So, crazy. Alright, so here's my box. Alright, let's see what we've got this time around. So Georgia's not here today. She's off visiting her dad for the school holidays, so I'm on my own again. Alright, so our t-shirt for this month. Let's have a look. You're having a look at it before me. Ooh. So what have we got? We got Hogwarts. We've got Harry going through the Forbidden Forest. That's pretty cool. Awesome. Okay. So I like those kind of silhouette ones because they're got to really look to get that it's a Harry Potter reference. It's pretty cool. Okay, let's see what else in this box. Because it's arrived again so early, I haven't even seen a video on YouTube yet. So I don't know what is in here. Absolutely no idea. Alright, so we got this little box here that says Unicorn Blood Glow in the Dark. Ooh. George is going to be really cranky she's not here. Anything to do with unicorns, she is going to be so disappointed. Oh, that is cool. So we've got unicorn blood, like a little potion vial bottle. And I'm assuming it will glow in the dark at some point. But that is very, very cool. I'm beginning to get a nice little collection of potions and vials. One of these days I will convert the old dollhouse into Hogwarts, and it will look awesome with all of these bits and pieces. But I still haven't gotten there yet. Alright, what do we got now? Something in a little plastic package. Alright, oh, it looks like a tote. Little tote. Oh, that's cool, it's a little one. Alright, so there we go. We've got a little tote bag for Hogwarts. So it's got the 4 houses on there. So we've got courage, loyalty, wisdom, and ambition for the 4 houses. That is pretty cool. I like the size of this one. Like, you know, it's not the shopping bag size. It's quite a small tote size. Just if you want to take something small. I like that. I do actually like that one. Alright, we've got our tea. First year at school tea. We've got apple pieces, rosehip peel, hibiscus flowers, coconut chips, orange peel, strawberry pieces, rose petals, and flavouring. I'm sure. Oh. Oh. I wouldn't mind a candle that smell like this. But I don't do tea, so like I said last time, I wish I'd come up with something new. Because I'm kind of over the tea. Alright. Let's see what my scratch card says. I'm sure it says better luck next time. No win. Better luck next time. Alrighty, what else have we got in here? We've got, ooh, another Proclamation. I love these. Yes. I do. I'm going to put them up in my classroom this term when I go back. Alright. Okay. I like this one. We will be expected. Proclamation number 27. Any student found in possession of the magazine The Quibbler will be expelled. That is pretty cool. Love that. Another one for the classroom. Okay, what else have we got here? Let's get the print out of the way. Love leaves its own mark. I'm going to try to get that thing. Yep, there we go. That's pretty cute, pretty subtle. I'll have to show you my hallway, what it looks like at some point. All of these prints have all been framed and they run down my hallway. It's pretty cool. Okay, we got a couple more things here. There seems to be a lot in this box this month. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so far. And there's 2 more things. So 7 things. That's a good box. 7 items. Alright, we've got a little, what I think is a bracelet. Yeah, it's a little bracelet with a feather on it in a bit. There we go, that's cool. And last but not least, a new necklace. I love their necklaces. I know some people don't like those big chunky ones that come with the chocolate frog and things like that. I love it. I'm a statement jewelry wearer, so I absolutely love when they put jewelry in. Alright, so what we've got here is, oh, this is cool. This is a owl and a letter. That is awesome. I absolutely love this. So I'm kind of thinking that this theme is all about first year at Hogwarts. I don't know, let's find out. Got the card here. Alright, massive thank you to we hope joy single month, September 2019. Exclusive Creatures t-shirt. Licensed and exclusive. Love leaves its own mark print. Owl necklace. Metal bracelet. Proclamation poster. Unicorn blood glass bottle. Magical tote bag. And first year tea. So that's pretty cool. Next month's hit is the Goblet of Fire. I like this month's box. The last couple of months have been good. I like things that are the things we've been getting. Just wish, like I said last time, get rid of the tea. I'm done. Find something else. I'm over the tea. I like the recipes, and they finished with that. They've done the tea now. Let's move on. Let's do something else other than tea. But other than that, very good. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button. It would be great. And as always, remember, be kind, be strong, and be a warrior. And I'll see you later. Bye.